Alpha variant and Delta variant mutated strains of COVID-19 appeared in the UK and India individually.
Then, what does mean Alpha and Delta? The writing system of the Greek alphabet. Alpha and Delta are Greek letters that are considered the same as the English alphabet. The Greek letters have been used since ancient times. Since it has a long history, it is widely used worldwide, just like the English alphabet. Examples of how to use the Greek letters: 1. Math and science. The Greek letters are used frequently in math and science since they were developed in ancient Greece. Alpha, beta, and gamma appear as units of quadratic you learned during the middle school math class. Delta appears when you study the amounts of changes in physics and standard deviation in statistics. In addition, epsilon is used to represent light energy, while pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle. The last letter, omega, appears when you study the omega constant, while it represents the resistance in physics. Examples of how to use the Greek letters to COVID-19.
Alpha variant appeared in the UK, while Delta variant appeared in India.
Alpha variant is the first one and Delta variant is the fourth one. The second, Beta variant, appeared in South Africa and the Gamma variant appeared in Brazil. For a while, those variants were named the early epicenter of the crisis.
But WHO decided not to use them anymore since it may cause discrimination and animosity against the countries
and be difficult to deliver proper information to the public. Examples of how to use the Greek letters: 3. Constellation. Johann Bayer, the German astronomer, used Greek letters to divide the areas of the constellation. He named the stars from the brightest ones in the constellation, such as Alpha, Beta, and Gamma. Therefore, the brightest ones are called alpha stars, while the darkest ones are called omega stars. Examples of how to use the Greek letters for stock. The Greek letters are also used in stocks. Alpha means an excess earning rate.
When an institution's stock market return reaches 15%, and KOSPI, South Korea's benchmark stock index, gains 12% of it.
Alpha would be 3% of the excessive earning rate. Furthermore, beta represents the risk of individual stocks. It shows how easily stocks rise and fall. Examples of how to use the Greek letters: 5. Brand. There are several companies whose brands are named the Greek letters.
In Korea, we have Alpha Stationery Shop, while the US has Delta Airlines.
In addition, in Switzerland, there's a luxurious watch brand called Omega. Examples of how to use the Greek letters: 6. Hurricane. Typhoons in the United States are called hurricanes, and there are names such as Alpha, Beta, and Delta.
The U.S. Meteorological Administration submits about 21 names of hurricanes each year.
But when they used up all the submitted names, they started to name them by using Greek letters. However, starting this year, they've decided not to use the Greek letters for hurricanes anymore.